Right now, ITC Limited is trading in an interesting zone. On the higher time frame, the stock is stuck between its 100 and 200 EMA on the monthly chart. The 300 zone is acting as a strong resistance, backed by heavy call writing, and interestingly, this level also aligns with the 100 EMA, making it tough barrier to break. The 200 EMA near 250 looks like a strong accumulation zone for long-term investor. But whether the stock dips further from here is something to watch closely. ITC Limited currently offers a dividend yield of around 4.9%. However, for investors in the 30% tax bracket, dividend paying stocks are less tax efficient. That said, they still play an important role in providing stable income and portfolio balance. Just avoid chasing high yields blindly. Now stepping into the business, ITC is not just a cigarette company anymore. It operates across four major segments: FMCG, paperboards and packaging, agriculture business, and IT services. Its FMCG portfolio includes strong brands like Ashirwad, Sunfeast, Bingo, Yippee, covering staples, snacks, dairy, and personal care. On top of that, it's building a new growth engine through its food tech business with cloud kitchens and digital first food brands. The company's strategy is simple: build a diversified, future ready consumer business while leveraging its strong distribution and supply chain. So looking at the latest quarterly update, the company delivered a steady performance. Consolidated revenue grew over 7% year on year, while profit after tax was up nearly 10%. The FMCG segment was a standout performer with 11% growth and a massive 42% jump in segment profits, driven by premiumization and strong demand across categories. Cigarettes continue to show volume-led growth, but there is a key risk: a sharp tax hike starting Feb 2026, which could push illicit trade higher. On the future side, ITC is aggressively scaling its value-added agri portfolio and expanding its food tech business, which has already doubled its GMV year on year. Overall, ITC is at an interesting junction, technically consolidating near key EMAs, fundamentally delivering steady growth, and strategically investing in new age businesses. If the stock manages to break that 300 zone decisively, it could signal the start of a fresh trend, backed by both earnings and re-rating potential. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe to stay updated with the market.